everybody, welcome back. So it has been a very long time since I have done my Family Dollar haul. I've been wanting to do it. It's the closest store to me besides Walgreens, but we're going to go inside and see what deal I can get with the Saturday only deal where you spend $25, you get $5 off. So let's go inside and go shopping. First item we're going to get is the Power Wash, the refillable. The regular one is $5, this one is $4, but there is a $1 off digital coupon. So we're going to end up using that item for our spend $25, get $4, or get $5 off. Next thing we're doing is the microbrand spray for $3.50. We do have a $2 off digital coupon, making this $1.50 after we use it. So here is the next item that we are getting. Next thing we're doing is the Colgate Toothpaste for $2. We currently have a 5 off of 3 digital coupons. So you'll get all 3 of them for just $1.33 each. The next thing we're going to do is the Febreze Unstoppables. My store does not have any of the regular sprays, so we're going to do this one. These are $4 and there is a 4 off of 2 digital coupon that you're going to use, making these $4 or just $2 each. Next thing we're doing is the men's degree deodorant. The women's do not work, but the men's, it is $2, and we do have a $1 off digital coupon that you're going to use, so you'll just get this for $1. Last thing we're going to do is the Febreze Plug-In. So these are on sale for $3. There is a $2 off smart coupon, making these just $1 for this item. Another deal that I'm just going to add to my haul is the sweet tarts. We got the bag ones for $1 and these ones are for $1, and there's currently a 50-cent rebate with this one and a 50-cent rebate with this one with Ibotta. So you'll get these each for 50 cents each. Okay, so one of my candies it showed it was $1 on the shelf, but then I looked at my receipt and it showed it was $1.25, which is still okay because I still got it for 75 cents. But my total was $8.75 for 11 items. I ended up getting $1 back with Ibotta, making my final total just $7.75, 11 items at 70 cents each. So I got 2 of the Unstoppables. I got the microbrand. Now when I was scanning this in the app, it was not popping up, as the coupon was not popping up, but it did come off at the registers, so I did get that. And then I've got my favorite, the soap. I don't know if I've used the apple scent one yet, but I'm still gonna take it because I absolutely love it. I got the Plug-In, and then I got 3 of the Colgate Toothpaste, and then I got the Chewy Fusions of the bag, and then I also got the box, and then I also got a thing of deodorant, which I cannot find it, but I think I did pretty good. $7.75 for 11 items. That is a great deal. Also, thanks for watching. I will try to do more of these videos this way, more in-store videos for you guys to see the deals. Thanks for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.